Alright.
Hi, Malog, check the room. It's finished. It's the same room in Canada, except it's one room. There was like much bigger, but you know, it's okay. I'm okay. I'm eating, I'm drinking Coke. Say Coke. Made in the Philippines. Taya. Malboro. It's not Domare, it's not from Paris. Made from Philippines. Actually, this is from America because it's a hard pack. The soft pack would be from carbon. Very bad. I'm doing fine myself. You know me, I'm a hustler and a pro. I know how to get around. Thanks to the blessing of God, I'm a survivor. Survive ko, tungod ng pray lang ko. Abi nila pugod lang ko. Sa dito. Okay na diyan eh. If ever, muli ito mo text lang ko. Pero okay lang to. Pero it's okay. Wala ko trabaho. Matulog lang ko. Ganda, okay na. How's Julian? Na? How's Julian and Dante? Okay na sila? Yeah, labay lang. And yeah, I miss all of you guys. Brandon, Tindalo, Makix, Julian, Dante, the new guy which I never seen all my life. Looks like my sister. It's Aika. Papa, no, nambox Papa na ito ang takto. Kailang, nato kita ito, pero ayaw sa ko i-show ko outline lang karon. I like ito to, ha. You know me. Everything done is good intention, never bad. Pero I'm doing fine. Wala ito kitabang, pero I made it. Because I'm a fighter at heart and body. Pero, ani diyan eh, good. Ikaw mo, retire mo. Sure. Ano ba? Kasi pwede na wala trabaho. 32 na, wala kayo trabaho. Sige lang tambay, sige lang chicks. Kung ganyan, wala siya na age.
Kaya nagibili niya ulit. Muroda.
Okay ma? Okay, sige na.
Bili niya ulit.